Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad using Kremdensada. This delightful dessert is incredibly easy to prepare and perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients and then move on to the simple steps. Get ready to create a creamy, sweet, and refreshing treat that everyone will love. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a burst of fruity flavor. First, let's get our fruits ready. Make sure to wash everything well. For fruits like apples and peaches, you'll want to peel them and remove any cores or pits. Then, carefully cut all your chosen fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Aim for about 1-inch cubes so they are easy to eat. Once cut, place all the prepared fruit into your large mixing bowl, ready for the next step. Now, let's create the star of our fruit salad, the creamy dressing. Take 1 can of Kremdensada and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Pour both of these into a separate, medium-sized bowl. Using a whisk, gently combine the two until they are perfectly smooth and thoroughly mixed. This rich and sweet blend will give your fruit salad its signature creamy texture and delicious flavor. It's that simple. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour your creamy dressing over the prepared fruit in the large mixing bowl. Using a spatula, gently fold the fruit and dressing until every piece is beautifully coated. Once mixed, transfer your delicious fruit salad into a serving dish. Cover it and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Chilling allows the flavors to meld, making it even more refreshing and enjoyable. Serve cold and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.